We're trying to find 2r plus s. And I see all these 2's in the bases. So let's rewrite the bases, all of these in terms of 2. Well, 4 is 2 squared, and it's raised to the s power. And 16 is 2 to the 4th. So you've got 2 to the r times 2 to the power to power. You multiply 2s equals 2 to the 4th. So when you multiply like bases, you add your exponents. That's 2 to the r plus 2s equals 2 to the 4th. And we have a theorem that says if the bases are the same, you can drop the base and set the exponents equal to each other. So we have that r plus 2s equals 4, but we're trying to find 2r plus s. Look at this equation. We know they're positive numbers. R and s are positive. What's the only value of r and s that will give you 4? R would have to be 2, s would have to be 1. There's not any other ones, just by eyeballing that. So now I can find 2r plus s. That's 2 times 2 plus 1, which is 4 plus 1, which is 5. So that's your answer.